Do you want to practice real-life German conversations without the boring textbooks? Then let's bring German to life with simple dialogues that you can copy, repeat and actually use in real world. And I can guarantee you by end of this video you will feel way more confident speaking German. So let's dive in. So in this entire video we'll go through some real life scenarios, and let's start with our first scenario, which is at the bakery or beim Bäcker. Imagine you are in a bakery in Berlin. The smell of fresh Brötchen is everywhere and you step up to the counter. So at first we have on the left side, this is the salesperson or the cashier, and on the right side you have yourself. Okay, so this is a salesperson or known as Verkäuferin. Okay, Verkäuferin in case of female and Verkäufer in case of male. So Verkäuferin, salesperson, female. Guten Tag, was möchten Sie? Guten Tag, was möchten Sie? That means in English, good day, what you would like to have. And you could answer with Ich hätte gerne 2 Brötchen bitte. That means I would like to have 2 breads please. So always remember you use hätte gerne, ich hätte gerne if you want to ask for something or if you want to order something. Now let's continue with the conversation. Die Verkäuferin. Noch etwas? Noch etwas? That means do you want something else? And you can answer with Nein, das ist alles, danke. Nein, das ist alles, danke. That means no, that's all, thank you. Then again die Verkäuferin, das macht 1,20 €. Das macht 1,20 €. That means it cost or it is total 1,20 €. Okay? Then you could answer with Hier bitte, schönen Tag noch. That means here please, have a nice day. So just remember, if you are the cashier or if you want to say someone goodbye, then you could just say schönen Tag noch. That means have a nice day. It's a polite way to say goodbye. And here's a pro tip for you. Use ich hätte gerne when ordering. It's polite and sounds natural. Let's continue with scenario number 2, which is meeting someone new. Begrüßung. Let's imagine you are meeting someone at a German language event and you are the one who is starting the conversation. Okay? So at first you could just start with Hallo, ich heiße Max und du? Hallo, ich heiße Max und du? That means usually hello, I am Max and you? Andere Person. Ich heiße Lisa. Ich heiße Lisa. That means the other person answering with I am Lisa or my name is Lisa. So in this case, another person means the other person and du means you. Now let's continue the conversation. Du, you are questioning woher kommst du? Woher kommst du? That means where are you from? And Lisa answering with Ich komme aus Spanien. Und du? Ich komme aus Spanien. Und du? So Lisa answered with I'm from Spain and you? So then you answer with Ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich komme aus Deutschland. That means I'm from Germany. And then Lisa replying with Schön dich kennenzulernen. Schön dich kennenzulernen. That means nice to meet you. And here's a pro tip for you. Ich heiße is how you introduce yourself, not Ich bin Max. That's okay, but Ich heiße is smoother for intros. So you could also answer with Ich bin Max, but Ich heiße sounds more natural. Hey, sorry for interruption, but if you have just started learning German and want to pass your A1 and A2 exam as quick as possible, like in just 1 or 2 months, then my fast track programs can be a good suit for you. You can find them down below in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Let's continue with scenario number 3, which is in the supermarket, or in German you say Supermarkt. Let's say you are looking for milk in a German supermarket and you need help. So in this scenario, on the left side you have yourself, so as a customer, and on the right side you have the cashier or the salesperson. Okay, so let's start the conversation. Du, Entschuldigung, wo finde ich die Milch? Wo finde ich die Milch? So you are asking, excuse me, where can I find milk? And the Mitarbeiter or the employee answer with Die Milch ist im Gang 3 ganz hinten. The milk is Gang 3 ganz hinten. And that means the milk is in aisle 3 all the way at the back. Then you are answering with Vielen Dank. Vielen Dank. You are thanking the employee because you have the information. And the employee answer with Gerne geschehen. Gerne geschehen. That means you are most welcome. So welcome or most welcome you can answer with either bitte, bitte sehr, or gerne geschehen, or just simply with gerne. There are many ways to say welcome in German. And here's a pro tip for you. Entschuldigung is your magic word for everything, like excuse me or sorry. Like literally, you can use Entschuldigung to everywhere. Like if you bump into someone, then you can say Entschuldigung. If you want some place, you can say Entschuldigung. You need someone's attention, you can say Entschuldigung. Like this is a magic word for everything. Let's continue with scenario number 4, which is at a restaurant, or in German known as im Restaurant. Imagine you are sitting at a cozy restaurant and ready to order. Let's see how the conversation goes. At first we have the Kellner. So Kellner means waiter. Sind Sie bereit zu bestellen? Sind Sie bereit zu bestellen? That means, are you ready for order something? Sind Sie bereit zu bestellen? So bestellen means to order something. Okay? Du, you can answer with, ja, ich nehme die Spaghetti bitte. Ich nehme die Spaghetti bitte. That means, yes, I will take the spaghetti, please. Then the waiter answer with, möchten Sie etwas trinken? Möchten Sie etwas trinken? That means, do you want to drink something? You can answer with, ein Wasser bitte. Ein Wasser bitte. That means, one glass water, please. Then the waiter answer with, komm sofort. Komm sofort means coming immediately. That's like you want to say he is bringing the foods as soon as possible. And here's a pro tip for you. Ich nehme means I will take, okay? Ich nehme, I will take. Very useful when ordering food or drinks. Let's continue with an important real life scenario which is at the doctor's office, or known as in German beim Arzt. You are not feeling well and you visit a German doctor. Let's see how the conversation should look like. At first we have Arzt. Guten Tag, was fällt Ihnen? Guten Tag, was fällt Ihnen? That means good day, what's wrong with you? That's a way to say, what are you suffering with? And you can answer with, ich habe Kopfschmerzen und Fieber. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen und Fieber. That means, I have headache and fever. Then the doctor can reply with, seit wann haben Sie diese Symptome? Seit wann haben Sie diese Symptome? That means, since when do you have the symptoms? Since when do you have the symptoms? And you can answer with, seit 2 Tagen. Seit 2 Tagen. That means since 2 days. Then the doctor reply with, okay, ich verschreibe Ihnen ein Medikament. That means, okay, I will write down a medicine for you. Then you answer with, vielen Dank, Herr Doktor. Vielen Dank, Herr Doktor. Normally in German, doctor is Arzt, but people also used to say doctor. So if it's a Frau or a woman, then you can say Frau Doktor. But if it's a male doctor, then you can say Herr Doktor. Okay? Vielen Dank, Herr Doktor. Thank you so much, Mr. Doctor. And here's the pro tip. It's formal, so always use Sie with professionals like doctors. Let's continue with the scenario number 6, which is asking for directions or nach dem Weg fragen. Let's imagine you are in a new city and you want to find the train station. So at first, on the left side you have yourself, on the right side there is the person who is showing you the direction. So let's see how the conversation look like. At first you can start with, Entschuldigung, wo ist der Bahnhof? Entschuldigung, wo ist der Bahnhof? That means, excuse me, where's the train station? Then the person can answer with, der Bahnhof ist geradeaus und dann rechts. Der Bahnhof ist geradeaus und dann rechts. That means the train station is straightforward and then on the right. Then you can answer with, vielen Dank. Vielen Dank. That means thank you so much. Then the person can answer with, gerne geschehen. Gute Reise. Gerne geschehen. That means most welcome. Have a nice trip. So you will use this phrase gute Reise when you want to wish someone have a nice trip. And here's the pro tip for you. Geradeaus means straight ahead, then rechts means right, and links means left. And knowing these 3 is enough to never get lost in Germany. Let's talk about the final scenario, which is scene number 7, small talk at a party. Small talk auf einer Party. So let's imagine you are at a small get together and meeting new people. And here's exactly how the conversation look like. At first you can start with, ist das dein erstes Mal in Berlin? Ist das dein erstes Mal in Berlin? That means, is it your first time in Berlin? Then the person, andere Person or the other person answer with, ja, es ist eine tolle Stadt. Ja, es ist eine tolle Stadt. That means, yes, this is a nice city. So toll means something nice or something beautiful. Then you can ask a follow-up question. Was machst du beruflich? Was machst du beruflich? Then he or she can answer with, ich arbeite als Softwareentwickler und du? Ich arbeite als Softwareentwickler und du? That means I work as a software developer or software engineer. And you? Then you can answer with, ich lerne gerade Deutsch. Ich lerne gerade Deutsch. That means for now I'm learning German. So gerade means now or for now. Then we have the other person, cool, viel Erfolg beim Lernen. Cool, viel Erfolg beim Lernen. That means, cool, wish you all the best with the learning. And here's some useful vocabulary from this scenario. Beruflich means professionally. Then Softwareentwickler means software developer. And ich lerne Deutsch means I'm learning German. So these were all the scenarios. Now here's a bonus tip. How to make this dialogue stick. Watch this video 2 to 3 times. Shadow me like a parrot. Pause and repeat each line. Speak out loud. You can learn the phrases in the conversations, but by not only watching this video, but also doing this task. So make sure to do them. And now it's time for final review and takeaway. Quick recap. By completing this entire video, you practice 7 real-world German dialogues. You learn key phrases and pronunciation tips. You took one step closer to speaking fluently. Congratulations. So that was for today's video. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. And if you are a beginner and want to get access to my A1 and A2 crash courses, then you can check out this playlist where I give you my A1 and A2 crash courses absolutely for free. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.